Mastering the art of advice in personal relationships. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting aspect of English grammar, giving and asking for advice, specifically within the context of personal relationships. This is a vital skill in everyday communication, and mastering it can significantly enhance your fluency. Advice is a key aspect of our interactions, and it's important to express it appropriately. Modal verbs are powerful tools when it comes to giving advice. Should, could, might, and ought to are typically used to offer advice. For instance, 1. You should talk to your friend about your feelings. 2. You could try to spend more time with your family. 3. He might want to consider apologizing. 4. They ought to communicate better. Remember, while all these modal verbs are used to give advice, there's a slight difference in tone and meaning. When asking for advice, we often use, "What should I? How could I? Do you think I might? What ought I to?" For example, 1. What should I do to improve my relationship with my sister? 2. How could I handle this situation with my friend? 3. Do you think I might be wrong in this argument? 4. What ought I to say to make things better? These structures allow you to seek advice from others in a polite and respectful manner. In personal relationships, it's crucial to offer advice in a manner that's sensitive and respectful. We can soften our advice by using phrases like, "Perhaps you could," "Maybe you should," "Have you considered?" For example, 1. Perhaps you could spend some time apart to think things through. 2. Maybe you should apologize for what happened. 3. Have you considered talking things out calmly? Using these phrases can make your advice sound less direct and more considerate. Responding to advice is as important as asking for it. A few phrases you can use include, "That's a good idea. I'll consider that. That might work," or even "I hadn't thought of that." For example, 1. That's a good idea. I will apologize to my friend. 2. I hadn't thought of that. Maybe taking some time apart is a good idea. Remember, it's important to acknowledge advice even if you choose not to follow it. And there we have it. Today, we've covered how to give and ask for advice in the context of personal relationships. These practical applications of English modal verbs will help you communicate more effectively and foster better relationships. Remember, practice is key to mastering these phrases. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit it whenever you need a refresher. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next video.